Welcome to section 2 in the Creative Cloud. So in this video, we're going to show you how to set up an account with Creative Cloud. So let's head over to your favorite web browser. In my case, I'm going to use Firefox. Type in Google Adobe Creative Cloud. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Adobe Creative Cloud right here. And you're going to see right here, start your free trial. So I'm going to click on that. And it's 14 days free, then $52.99 a month. So that's for individuals. Students and teachers, it's $20 a month. Business, it's $80 a month after 7 days. So I'm going to do individual. We're going to do 14 days free, then $52 a month. So I'm going to start the free trial. And I'm going to put in my email address. So learntech+1@gmail.com. I'm going to continue that. Now it's going to require credit card information. So I'm going to pause the video, put my stuff in, and then click on Start Free Trial. Okay, so now you can see that I've set up my ID, but I need to set up a password to sign in. So I'm going to click on Set Your Password. There we go. So I've set my password. I'm going to hit continue. And we'll save it for now. That's fine. And now what it's going to do is it's going to prompt me to download and install Creative Cloud. So let's save the file. Okay. And in the next video, I'll show you how to install this. I'll see you there.